I will show the vlog about the things she did with Isa last night. These two girls made some craft trying to make snowflakes and put it on the window. And look at what happened. Look at what happened, girl. Look at what happened. Hindi snowflakes lang eh. Try to get up more. Tama. Snowflakes to dapat eh. Ang cute nga.
But it's snow.
Snowflakes na may heart and square. Pwede na. Snow!
It's not very snow in our new house. Yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna snow the whole day. The other provinces, the other cities here in Ontario
Yeah.
already had their first snow since I think Alberta.
Oh yeah, they
had
have
their
lots
first
of snow popping up.
And for other cities in Ontario, they already had their snow since last week.
And also New York. Look at the snow vloggy.
Wow!
Dad, look at our footprints.
Daddy!
Daddy.
Si Tito pala yun, B. Oh, ayun na si Patrice! Bye, Keisha! Good morning! Pag Thursday, gumigising kaming maaga. Kami. Gising ako ah. Oras na ba? 6:26. May iwan na naman ako dito mag-isa. Ay, ang lakas ng Snowbee oh. Dad. Mag-ingat ka dad pag drive. So, pag Thursday, ganito kami, maaga ang gising. Mostly siya, maaga ang gising. Kasi pabiyahe pa siya ng almost 2 hours papunta opisina. Tapos nagbabaon siya ng sandwich. Sometimes kanin. Tapos may Jollibee malapit sa office nila, so...
Umorder na si Kaluka.
Umorder ka agad sa'yo? Ano sabi sa'yo?
Ano order mo? May typical order. Chicken joint. No, pasta. I-ask mo namin kung ano order niya.
Hindi ako tinanong.
Kasi sa wala ka order. Sorry.
Mommy, there's a lot of snow.
So, nag-shovel na yung neighbors namin. Ayan. Neighbor, isa lang pala. Nag-shovel na siya kasi required na yung walkway. Ma-shovel yan. Kasi pag may na-accident, sabi nila, I'm not sure, liability siya nung may-ari nung bahay sa tapat ng walkway.
Yes, we will do that later.
Yeah. Kami naman, luckily, walang walkway sa tapat namin, pero magandang kahit pa paano ma-clear. And also, we need to be early kasi ang daming bundle up, di ba? Ang daming layer ng damit.
I have school today.
Our typical Thursday is like this. So, umaalis si daddy ng early, tapos kami, kaming girls, kaming naiiwan. And we have to get ready. Oh. Okay guys, see you later for our typical Thursday. Isha, breakfast is ready.
Happy Thursday. This is my breakfast, French toast. It's a snowy day today. One tip, we have to bundle up. Bonnet, gloves, earmuffs, scarf, boots, and everything.
Elsa, bye muna.
Bye.
Because she's a chatterbox. She won't stop. She won't stop until the bus is here. Bye. So it's 8:41 now,
Yeah.
and we should be moving and going. But we don't have a rush morning this morning.
Yeah.
And I'm proud of ourselves. Wow, snow!
Yes, no.
Ito yung typical Thursday ko. Time for lunch. Para kainin yung mga tira-tira from breakfast. Magpapahinga muna ako. Ay, break time. Ang sakit na ng puwet ko kakaupo. Makulimlim na. Maya-maya lang, dadating na yung anak ko. Susunduin ko na si Keisha. Diyan lang yung bus stop niya. You know, did you play sa snow? Sa recess time niyo, nag-play ka sa snow?
It was freezing.
Yeah, it's freezing. Tapos hindi pa nakazip yung jacket mo. Naku, naku. Hi, vlog.
This is us, the two of us.
Yes.
Peace.
Later, Daddy will arrive.
So it'll be a whole family photo. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Is there something yet?
No, you will find that on 25th morning.
We have gingerbread houses. We have the Christmas store. It's gonna be an awesome Christmas. So happy holidays to you. Hope you have a wonderful, holiday with your friends, with your family members, with your cousins.
Tapos na kami magsabit ng mga ornaments na kailangan namin isabit. Ay, shadow palang nakalabas tong isa. Ayusin ko mamaya. Tapos ito, busy. Nagsusulat daw siya ng wish list niya.
Dear Santa, I would like a Barbie swap and lots of candies and lots of chocolate in my stocking this year. And lots of cute stuff like accessories, just like what you gave me last year. Love, Keisha.
Finally going home. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi late na ako. So, cover natin yung pauwi. Yeah.
Wanna freeze this moment, make it mine, hold you close. Now my heart's wide open. When I'm with you, suddenly I feel no pain. Do you make it? Do you make it?
Dito na tayo sa Jollibee. Bili muna tayo ng order ni Keisha at ni Mami. Wow, nakatapos sa Jollibee. Ayan, nakabili na ako. Mag-grocery naman muna tayo sa Asian store. Samahan niyo ako, punta muna ako sa Kisha's grocery store para palipos ng traffic and namili ng konting groceries.
My heart's wide open. When I'm with you, suddenly I feel no pain. Do you make it go away? Do you make it? Do you make it go away? Do you make it? Do you make it go away? Do you make it? Do you make it go away?
Na pula. Kita ko din yung kalamansi. Maliit na bote, $7. Yung malaki, 40. Pauwi na ako. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung nagbayad. Dami kong nabayad. Kailangan mong i-bag yung mga pinabili mo. So, hindi afford mag-vlog. Ganap sabihin ka, walang bagger dito. Hindi tayo sa Pilipinas. May bagger dito. May grocery ka. Uy, magpapag ng grocery mo. Ayan guys, babayo tayo. As per Google, yan. Kanina, 1:45. Ngayon, 1:23 na lang. So, wala na yung traffic.
Excited!
Hi, Daddy! Daddy!
Let's close the door. It's cold. Celebrity yarn.
Yay!
Bida ang saya.
Oh, makatapon na kami.
She's gonna do it daw.
Daddy!
Heavy talaga yan.
Was it cold last night?
Yeah, it is.
Probably he didn't show you most of it, but this is the most of it. They fit it in one whole bag. You had to change
Pansit
it.
Canton! Yes! Pero alam nyo guys, mas masarap to kaysa Pansit Canton na to. Ewan ko ba? Iba ang lasa ng Pansit Canton dito. Mas masarap yung Pansit Canton sa Pinas. Monkey! Tapos yun, ang binibili namin what do you call this?
We're breaking.
Bananang saba. Frozen. Anyway, mamaya na natin i-check. Kain na tayo. Isha Ay, ang lamig na yung price.